Krishna. Thank you very much for coming. अभी ना आप लोग प्लीज आगे आ जाइए because people will come and they will not sit here, they will sit at the back. थोड़ा सा बेटा please come forward. Somebody can उसमें आकाशवाणी लग रहा है थोड़ा सा. बेटा come sit in front of your mom. बेटा come. It's fine. So thank you very much for coming. I really appreciate it. Thank you very much. It's so good to see all of you on a Friday night. It's such an amazing thing. मेरे लिए this is my highlight of the whole week. Sometimes I started जैसे क्लास खत्म हो रही होती है, I started getting into that zone of depression. कि अरे यार, that's it. It's about to finish. And when I'm driving home, it's always like this. It's like a separation. Okay, now I have to wait for a whole week, next week, and So thank you very much. I am very, very grateful to all of you to be here, give me opportunity to say a few words. And before I start, I say this mantra, Mukam Karoti Vachalam. Anybody knows what is the meaning of Mukam Karoti Vachalam? Mukam का क्या मतलब होता है? No. मुख मतलब गूंगा. मूकम करोति वाचालम. वाचालम मीन्स बोलना. So मूकम करोति वाचालम पंगुम. पंगु का मतलब क्या होता है? लंगड़ा. पंगुम लंगायते गिरिम. What is गिरी? पहाड़. पंगुम लंगायते गिरिम यत् कृपातमहं वंदे श्री गुरुम दीनतारिणा. So हम गुरु की मर्सी से गूंगा भी बोल सकता है. So this is what I pray at the start because वैसे तो ज़बान से I may not be a गूंगा, but in terms of my understanding about spirituality, I am worse than गूंगा. So I want the Guru and Krishna to speak through me and give you whatever you're looking for. So everybody will get the different message with the same message I'm reading. Everybody will get a different message. Why? Because we all are looking for something else. We are on different stages of our spiritual well-being. अब कोई बोलेगा कि what does that mean? Does it mean somebody is higher, somebody is lower? No. They are at a different stages of their bhakti. So they might be going parallel and they might have one thing really down packed, somebody else has the other thing down packed, this one is struggling with something, someone else is struggling with something. Krishna will reveal only what is good for you. Basharte you follow what we're going to do today. Today is the verse which is very, very critical. And we'll talk about that in a second. But this verse this is the anchor of the whole Bhagavad Gita. ये वाला जो verse है पूरे भगवद गीता का एक anchor है. वैसे भगवद गीता ऐसे चल रही है, यहाँ पर एकदम से turn करेगी. And that's why it is very, very critical. 2.7 we'll do. But before that, we've already done the announcement. We'll watch a video and then we will continue. So I don't think I will be able to play this video from here. So I've got it here.
You guys know something? Each one of you watching this video opened two very special gifts this morning. Guess what? You're up.
प्रभु इसको फुल स्क्रीन कर सकते हैं?
Know something? Each one of you watching this video opened two very special gifts this morning. Guess what? Your eyes. I often say last night was the last night for some, and we are blessed with another chance to live a better life. And we can make the most out of our day and thus out of our life if we begin our day in a proper state of mind. Here are the 5 things to dwell upon as soon as you are up every single day. Number 1, begin your day with gratitude. Don't just charge your phones, watches, tablets, or laptops the first thing in the morning. Charge yourself up as well with positivity that will last you all day. And the most powerful of all positive emotions that will make you feel empowered is gratitude. Because it forces you to shift your attention to your blessings than to your problems, which are anyways going to be an integral part of all of our lives. Second, resolve to have a positive vision. Nobody, including ourselves, is perfect. Everybody has a good and a not so good side to them. And the tendency of the mind is to look at the not so good side. Every morning, resolve that you will try and look at the positive side of people and neglect or deal with the dark side. Because the more we focus on the negative, our mind becomes occupied with others' faults, ruining our work, our day, our peace, our joy, and even our relationships. Third, trust the broader plan. Tell yourself that whatever is going to happen today, the apparent good or the apparent bad, is exactly what I need at this point of time in my life. Nothing more, nothing less. Have complete trust that every incident that's going to happen throughout the day, that which is beyond your control, is simply a small part of a much larger picture that will unfold eventually only for your good and your well-being. Keep reminding yourself of this as you're confronted with challenging situations through the day. Number 4, do the small things right. Although folding your sheets or comforters may seem small, they lead to a very big attitude. Like the US Navy Admiral William McRaven said, making your bed in the morning will reinforce the fact that little things in life matter. If you can't do the little things right, you will never be able to do the big things right. And if by chance you have a miserable day, you'll come back home to a bed which you made, and a made bed gives you encouragement that tomorrow will be better. And number 5, decide to help someone. Don't they say everyone you meet is fighting a battle that you know nothing about? Be kind, be helpful, invest the energy of empathy, love, and kindness in people around you, and you'll receive the same back when you need it the most. Also, try to have a spiritual practice in your morning routine, a deeper connection which will illuminate your inside so you can brighten the outside. And after having done all of these, remember, जिंदगी की हर सुबह कुछ शर्तें लेकर आती है और हर शाम कुछ तजुर्बे लेकर जाती है. Every morning will bring some challenges, and every evening will leave us with wisdom and experience with which we are ready to open our 2 gifts in a fresher way the next day, if we are allowed.
All right. Who's got the other mic? Let's get some sharing. What is the learnings? Who wants to say any? What did you learn from this?
So, you have it to when you wake up, you should not use computers, and then there's going to be if you not have in the gratitude side, you'll be on the side called the dark side.
Yes.
And there in the dark side, there's gonna be not
good.
not great, and then there's gonna be a relationship will get get broken, and then like we have to like leave the dark side, and then like it's gonna be much better. We also have like a spiritual like contact,
Yeah.
and that's it.
Thank you, madam. Well done. Thank you. Anyone else?
So this video like to do, like it's telling you to be positive every morning and look and deal with the negative side, because you can't be like too much on the negative and it won't allow you to do the saver.
Yeah.
And it won't really allow you, because you'll be like, let's say you're chanting and then you woke up with a bunch of bad thoughts in your mind.
Yeah.
And then it comes what into your mind while chanting. It will affect, so you will have to deal with that. It's best to do it when it comes.
Very nice. That's really deep. Well done. Anyone else? Yes. Oh, the mic's there.
So there's a lot of learning from this, but what touched my heart is when you do little things in the morning, like you practice your sadhana, you're better prepared to face life challenges. And there'll be always negative around in our lives, but you know, the positives will give you the strength to deal with the negatives.
Yes. Very, very nice. Beautiful. Very well said. We cannot control the rain outside, but we can take umbrella with us. Be prepared for us. You know? So when we do those little things, I remember in CBA we had this guy came and getting a lot of money. The whole seminar was one thing. All you got to do is get up in the morning and you get out of bed and you make your bed before you do anything. That's it. And it seemed like such a waste of time. And then he came to the second session and he said, I'm gonna come back and I'm only gonna charge CBA if you guys think that what I said worth it. So I will come next time, few months later, 3 months later, and then I'll charge you if you're still okay. But you have to do this thing every day. And I'm not even joking. I started doing this and there is some power in it. You get up, you get out of your bed, you make your bed straight away. Obviously, if you're the first one, other people are sleeping, don't try and make the bed. Otherwise, you'll be made. That's different. But if you're the last person out of bed, make your bed. I'm not even joking. That changes, something shifts. 80% of the people, they actually said in writing that was one of the best things that they've done. So, but हमारे शास्त्रों में, we go one level up. We go to sadhana and prepare yourself. Like, when a soldier goes on war, what they do is they put their kavach on and all those sort of things. So our kavach is our sadhana, our positive mind. We go out with a positive mind. We know that we're gonna have some stones thrown at us, some obstacles, some difficulties. But you're prepared because you've got your kavach on. So when you do that, it becomes much more easier. Thank you, Mataji. Yes, Prabhu.
Prabhuji, what I learned is we have to put every morning trust in God's plan. Like whatever is happening in our lives, good or bad, we don't have to take it like that. We have to think that, just like Prabhuji said, that this is the exact thing that should be happening with me. So put the trust in God's plan.
Whatever is happening to you or with you is mercy of the Lord. Very hard sentence to understand. Whatever, doesn't matter what is happening, it's happening for your ultimate good. We can't connect the dots right now, but retrospectively we will be able to. So thank you, Prabhu. Anyone else?
We know all of these, but why do we forget it?
Actually, very, very, very good question. We know all of this, we forget it because, Prabhu, what happens is, this is me. Why I forget, I can tell you, but people have different reasons. I forget because I don't live in the present. What happens is, so for example, when I'm in the meeting, I have an agenda in my head, yeah? I want to achieve something out of this meeting. This is the end point. Anyone else is talking other than that, I'm not present. I'm only stuck to my agenda. I'm not curious about other people. So whenever what I do is I've got an alarm on my phone. Has anyone seen my phone? I don't know where I left it. But
There, Prabhuji, below your knee.
oh, here, okay. This phone has an alarm every hour. Starts at 8 o'clock. Every hour I have an alarm, and it's a flute, plays for almost 5 seconds. That is a reminder for me to stay present. Don't stuck to your agenda. Like, you have to focus, but you're not life and you are not the only center of the universe. So the reason why we forget Prabhu, I forget, is because I don't stay in the present. I'm either in the past. इसने ऐसे बोला था मुझसे, अब ये मुझसे आके कुछ मांग रहा है, जरूर कुछ चाहिए होगा. नहीं यार, he was just trying to be nice to me and I'm thinking पहले ऐसा करा था, तो I'm putting past in the now. And sometimes if I don't know that person, इसको क्या चाहिए, what does he want from me in the future, why is he being nice to me or why is he mean to me? So I'm either in the future or in the past. So the best way to stay in consciousness of what we discuss is to stay in the present. So मैंने क्या कर रखा है, I can't stay in present all the time, but every hour I have a reminder. छोटा सा एक हल्का सा म्यूजिक प्ले होता है. Even Roxy knows, everybody in my home, even work people know now. So every time that music plays, everyone stops and everyone close their eyes. We take deep breath, staying grounded, we stay in the present. And we realize that other people have other agendas as well. And one of the reasons why we forget is I'm talking about me, I shouldn't say we. Sometimes I forget is because I think everyone has to react or act like me. Somebody is angry at me, I'm not getting angry, so I want everyone to behave like me. If somebody says something wrong against Hindustan, I arc up. And whoever doesn't arc up, like Deshdrohi. So I want, the only people that I like is the people who are doing exactly what I would do in that situation. Most of the time. But sometimes we want to idolize people who are better than us. But most of the time, we only like people who are saying either things that we like. If I love movies, I want someone to say, have you watched that movie? Kya movie thi? If I like books, I want people who want to talk to me about books, That's why I connect with Arna a lot, because she loves reading books. So it's people that are like us, we like that. इसमें बोला है ना कि everybody is going through their own set of problems. So हमें क्या देखना है? I remind myself कि look, Rajesh, you're not the only person who has problems. Other people, the way they are behaving, reacting, there is something that is triggering them. I may not know it. I can't judge it. All I can be compassionate. So that alarm makes me grounded, makes me be present, makes me compassionate to myself as well. Sometimes we are harsh on ourselves. So all of those things, but that's why we forget, because we don't live in the present. That's what I think. Anybody else has any other answers? Why do we forget these things? Yes, beta. Mike.
Like if life is going too good, you just say, okay, it's gonna stay like this, and you just forget about.
Beautiful. This is what Krishna is gonna talk to Arjuna about. If life is going beautiful, you say, it's gonna stay like this. Or if life is giving you lemons, you think ऐसे ही रहने वाला है. अब तो क्या शादी हो गई, अब क्या खत्म? That's not true. Life is a journey where you cannot, no matter how many windows you shut, the life will keep on going. So thank you, beta. That's a very deep thing. Thank you. Anyone else? Yes.
I think it's characteristics of Kali Yuga that we will forget.
Yes. That's another thing. Kali Yuga buddhi jo hai, wo aisi hi hai. We will forget. But you know what? The more we are surrounded by devotees or devotional paraphernalia, the more we'll stay connected. That's why people who are living in temple, they are a little bit more Krishna conscious than us, only because they are always connected to something which reminds them of Krishna. So that's another thing. Yes, Prabhu.
I think Prabhu, it's also about we forget to reprioritize and prioritize these small things. If we start prioritizing other things, bigger things, then we
Yeah.
forget, and then this basically when we don't have the discipline, it trails off.
Yeah, there is a small little story where this kid actually goes to his father and he said, Papa, how much do you charge for 1 hour? Because he was a consultant. He goes $180. So he goes back and comes back with $90 and say, Papa, can I have half an hour with you? Because I want to play game with you. And father goes, why are you giving him money? He goes, because I don't see you. Because the father is busy making money for his son. But son doesn't want money. Son is giving him money to spend time with him. So sometimes we forget those little things. Like, spending time with your family, enjoying little things in life. Rather than always thinking about जब मेरे पास कुछ होगा तब मैं enjoy करूँगा. जब मेरे पास कुछ होगा then I will help people. Actually, कहते हैं charity should be done regardless of whether you have something or not. You don't have to always charity with money. You can charity with what? Your time, with your words, with your, nothing else other than just sometimes your ear. अपने friend के साथ बैठ के just listen to them, and you can do that. So little things, Hare Krishna. Little things in life will give you the essence. Actually, little thing. क्या होता है हम लोगों को बड़ा चीज दिखती है, लेकिन has anyone seen the thing called Lego? There's a TV series in Channel 9, somebody was telling me, Lego Masters. They make big things with Legos. So the guy, I think Hamish or Andy, whoever that is, he was saying that this is the beauty of life. The life is made out of these little cubes. We don't see the cubes in the bigger picture, but actually what is the life made out of? Little cubes. What cube क्या है? सब बच्चों के साथ time spend करना, spend time with Lord. Spend quality time with your family, not just एक ही कमरे में बैठे हैं and everybody is in their own phone. That's not the one I'm talking about. Thank you, Prabhu. Okay, and one last question. I want one person to say, what is that got to do with what we are reading in Bhagavad Gita right now? What is this video got to, how is it connected to what we are talking in Bhagavad Gita? Good question, huh? I will not go ahead until I get an answer.
Maybe we are not prioritizing the Bhagavad Gita.
Yes, actually, you're right. We are not prioritizing something which is the most important aspect. एक बार क्या हुआ? There was this guy who was very hungry, extremely hungry. So, do you know there is a technique to overcome hunger? Do you know you tie a rassi on your पेट पे रस्सी बांध दो, कहते हैं ना लोग. So he was trying. He did not have anything जिससे वो पेट पे कुछ बांध सके. So he saw a tree. उसने ट्री को जाके जोर से पकड़ लिया. And he was pressing his stomach like this, And he was pressing and pressing because he was hungry. And this guy came. He goes, "What happened? इसको लगा कि चिपक गया ऐसे. What happened? Why are you doing this?" He goes, "I'm really hungry, so I'm trying to, squeeze my stomach." The guy goes, "That's okay. I've got some food. Here you go, food." He goes, "No, I don't have time. If I let go of my hand, I will start getting hungry more. So I'm not going to let go of my hand." This is our position. We are so stuck with life. If someone comes and says the Bhagavad Gita, no, I don't have time. If you don't have time, then you definitely need Bhagavad Gita, because who Krishna is Samay. Somebody says, "I'm too anxious. I've got too many things to do." So I don't know about there is an old saying, everybody needs to meditate. If you have no time, so everyone has to meditate for half an hour every day. But unless you have no time, if you have no time, then you meditate for 1 hour. That means and that's true, when you meditate, when you give priority to Bhagavad Gita or spirituality, then time expands. And we'll talk more about that in third chapter. But thank you, Prabhu. That's how it's linked. So we are not prioritizing it, first of all. Second, we are not being grateful for how many times we are grateful for this gathering. Yahan se gaye, how much we are, yes, Prabhu. You're grateful. So how many of us grateful, but how many of are actually asking this question on a weekday? that I'm very happy that I went to last week, and I'm gonna be very happy next week.
रोज
That's
करते
good.
हो
Huh?
रोज करते हो
Rose guy. Very nice. Thank you. Very nice. Because we know what this is. This shows your connection with the Krishna, and Krishna reciprocates with it. Krishna reciprocates with it. And I think this is why this group is very powerful in terms of spirituality. And I can feel, I've done a lot of Bhakti Vrikshas, but I feel that you guys are the super powerhouse of spirituality. So I'm very greedy to have your association. So we've done this one, 2.6. So 2.6 mein, I'm going to quickly recap what we did. And then we're going to go to 2.7, which is very, very important. So in 2.6, क्या है कि अर्जुन बोल रहा था कि I'm not going to fight, है ना? And जब वो कह रहा था I don't want to fight, he was giving all these reasons. It is because he was a devotee of the Lord. He was very enlightened, and he had complete control of mind and senses. And he said, मैं भीख मांग लूँगा, I won't fight. I will rather beg. And he had very strong instruction, belief, faith in Krishna. So he's going to ask question. So these qualities make you fit for liberation. Someone who cannot control their senses can have no chance of elevation to the platform of knowledge. सबसे पहले क्या चाहिए? Sense control. When you have sense control, then you can have knowledge. When you have knowledge, then you are entitled for liberation. You cannot have knowledge without sense gratification. Can anyone explain why? You cannot have knowledge without controlling your senses. Sorry. You cannot have knowledge without controlling your senses. How is it possible?
You get occupied in your satisfying your senses all the time.
Exactly. सारी की सारी knowledge धरी की धरी रह जाती है जब एक नई टीवी सीरीज आते हैं. सारी भगवद गीता धरी रह गई है, वो कोई बात नहीं, पढ़ लेंगे, पूरी जिंदगी पढ़ी है ना? So why is this? Because sense gratification. And that's why हमारे पास खूब सारी चीजें हैं. We have व्रत करते हैं हम लोग. We don't try and have chai, coffee, onion, garlic. These are not just fads नहीं है ये कि भाई ठीक है यार, I just want to prove कि मैं कुछ भी कर सकता हूँ, I'm gonna give up. No, it has scientific reasoning behind it. When you do these things, what happens? You controlling your senses. When you control your senses, your mind get nourished to get more knowledge. So you can grasp for those knowledge. Otherwise नहीं आएगा. ये भगवद गीता का ये जो वर्स आप लोगों को इजीली समझ में आ जाता है. I'm not even joking. You give this to someone who is engrossed in sense gratification. They can say, what is rubbish is this? As if you're talking Hebrew to me. That's what they will say. Because it won't. And that's why it's important for us to. And we'll see what he says now. Arjun, this is the turning point of Bhagavad Gita. Repeat after me. Karpanya dosho apahat svabhava.
Karpanya dosho apahat svabhava.
Prachhami tvam dharma sammudha cheta.
Prachhami tvam dharma sammudha cheta.
Yashreyasya nishchitam bruhi tanme. शिष्यास्तेहं साधिमां त्वां प्रपन्नम्. शिष्यास्तेहं साधिमां त्वां प्रपन्नम्.
कार्पानदोषोपहता स्वभाव. पृच्छामि त्वं धर्मसमुदायितः. याश्रेयस्या निश्चितं ब्रूहि तन्मे. शिष्यस्तेऽहं सदिमं सम्प्रपन्नम्.
Anyone else?
कार्पण्य दोषो अपहत स्वभाव.
कार्पण्य दोषो अपहत स्वभाव.
पृच्छामि त्वं धर्मसमुदचेता
पृच्छामि त्वं धर्मसम्मूढचेता
यश्रेयस्यान्निश्चितं ब्रूहि तन्मे
यस्येयस्यान्निश्चितं ब्रूहि तन्मे
शिष्यस्तेऽहं साधिमां त्वं प्रपन्नम्
शिष्यास्तेऽहं शादिमां त्वां प्रपन्नम्
कार्पण्यदोषोपहत्स्वभाव
कार्पण्यदोषोऽपहत्
पृच्छामि त्वां धर्मसमुद्धचेतः
पृच्छामि त्वां धर्मसम्मूढचेता
यश्रेयस्यान्निश्चितं ब्रूहि तन्मे
यश्रेयस्यान्निश्चितं ब्रूहि तन्मे
शिष्यस्तेऽहं शाधिमां त्वां प्रपन्नम्
शिष्यास्तेऽहं शादिमां त्वां प्रपन्नम्
कार्पण्यदोषापहत् स्वभाव
कार्पण्यदोषोऽपहत् स्वभाव
पृच्छामि त्वां धर्मसमूढचेता
पृच्छामि त्वां धर्मसम्मूढचेता
यच्छ्रेयस्यान्निश्चितं ब्रूहि तन्मे
यश्रेयस्यान्निश्चितं ब्रूहि तन्मे
शिष्यातेऽहं साधिमां त्वां प्रपन्नम्
शिष्यास्तेऽहं शादिमां त्वां प्रपन्नम्. Anyone else? It's a beautiful verse.
Translation?
Yes.
Now I'm confused about my duty and have lost all composure because of miserly weakness. In this condition, I'm asking you to tell me for certain what is best for me. Now I'm your disciple and a soul surrendered onto you. Please instruct me.
Beautiful. This is the turning point. यहाँ तक कृष्णा did not say nothing, like nothing. He was just listening. आप लोगों ने देखा ना कई बार क्या होता है, we are interested in just speaking. There are a lot of people that you will see. You ask them, hey, I went to Paris last time. Oh, you did? Oh, I went like 6 years ago. You know what happened there? Yeah. Okay, you know what? In Paris, it was so cold. I know. I was there. And like 16 years ago, I was there. It's so cold and I can't tell you anything. And then you say, but I was about to tell you that I didn't have a good time. Oh, look, good time only happens when you have good company. I was not there with you. That's why you didn't have a good time. So people like to talk, but inside, and they want to talk, but another ichha they have is that someone else listen to them. So when you give people some ear and you say, okay, and you're genuinely interested in understanding what they went through and all those sort of things, let them speak, let them express themselves. What happens is, you have an opportunity to learn from what you heard. जो कम बोलता है ना, वो ज़्यादा ग्रो करता है. जो कम बोलता है वो ज़्यादा ग्रो करता है. अब ऐसा नहीं कि अपने घर पे जाके अपने हस्बैंड और वाइफ को बोलो, देखो तुम ज़्यादा बोलते हो इसलिए तुम ग्रो नहीं कर रहे हो. Don't say that. ना. I'm talking about when you speak less, you have more opportunity to hear and grasp and understand. लेकिन आप सोचो, smart people still collapse. Who is the smartest person here? Arjun. Arjun is who? Arjun is Nar Narayan में से नर जो है वो अर्जुन है. Arjun is the pure devotee of the Lord. He is one of the most intelligent person in Pandava army. He was one of the most skilled person in the army. He was the one who won Draupadi, in the Swayamvar and everything. He is one of the most capable person in the whole army, in both armies together, and he is burnt out. क्या बोल रहा है वो? Because of my miserly weakness, I am feeling weak. That's not a symptom of a Kshatriya. Kshatriya has to be strong. Strong and very loud, and what he's doing now, he's gonna put his Gandiv away. कहते हैं क्षत्रिय की पूरी मर्यादा और लाज होती है उसके अस्त्र में, अस्त्र और शस्त्र में ना, तो उसका जो शस्त्र है उसने छोड़ दिया. And that's what's gonna happen. He became so weak. In this condition, I'm asking you to tell me for certain what is best for me. He's not saying कि कृष्णा आप मुझे बताओ कि क्या करना है, लेकिन मूवी तो मैं देखने जाऊंगा. या तो आप पूछो मत, है ना. मेरा बेटा कई बार मुझे बोलता है, पापा can I watch this? I said no. And then he says, but Papa, I said, if you want to argue with me, then you say, Papa, I'm going to ask you something. I don't care whether you say yes or no. Then you start conversation with me. If you are asking me a question, you accept what I'm saying. Otherwise, don't ask question. Here, हमारे right now CEOs, like, I know a lot of you guys work in a very high-powered, companies जहाँ पर, life goes this fast, है ना. So क्या होता है उसमें इतनी fast life हो जाती है कि you come home and you're completely dead. छोटे सी चिंगारी बम फोड़ देती है ना. क्यों होता है वो यहाँ पर हो रहा है उसके साथ. तो ऐसा मत सोचना कि you are only one. Everybody goes through this. Even Arjun went through this. है ना. CEOs burn out. Parents, उनको लगता है कि यार कैसे झेलूं मैं इनको, बच्चों को ना तो ये समझ रहे हैं, ना तो बात मान रहे हैं, ना ही मेरे को समझ में आ रहा है कैसे समझाऊं. कई बार डिवोटीज एज ए डिवोटी वी फील स्टक कि यार आई एम नॉट ग्रोइंग, आई एम ट्राइंग माय बेस्ट, लेकिन मेरी चैंटिंग की क्वालिटी अच्छी नहीं हो रही. आई कांट कॉन्सेंट्रेट ऑन थिंग्स. समटाइम्स हम लोग किसी जॉब पर है, वहां पर वी फील सो स्टक कि यार ना तो उगलते बनता है ना निगलते बनता है. बॉस ने बोल दिया, वी नो दैट बॉस इज रॉन्ग, वी कांट से एनीथिंग, वी कांट कीप क्वाइट बिकॉज करना हमें पड़ेगा, है ना. सो वी गेट स्टक. सो इट्स नॉट इट्स सिर्फ ऐसा नहीं कि सिर्फ अर्जुन के साथ हो रहा है. हमें लगता है कि इट्स लाइक 5000 years old स्टोरी हमारे पे लागू नहीं है, बट दैट्स नॉट ट्रू. अब क्या होगा, भगवत गीता किसको बोली गई थी? अर्जुन को. अर्जुन वाज नॉट ए फेलियर. He was one of the most intelligent guy, and that's why it was spoken to him. So आप लोग जो यहाँ पर बैठे हो, you guys are the cream of the cream of the cream who are listening to what Krishna chose Arjun to speak to. It's not an easy thing. आप लोगों को लग रहा है कि it's just a coincidence कि मैं यहाँ पर हूँ आज and भगवत गीता का सबसे important श्लोक पढ़ रहे हैं. It's not coincidence. You have done this in your past life. आप लोगों ने बहुत जबरदस्त वाली साधना करी है पास्ट लाइफ में. दैट इज द रीजन यू कैन सिट हियर एंड लिसन टू समथिंग व्हाट कृष्णा हैज सेड 5000 years ago. सो भगवत गीता इज नॉट स्पोकन टू फेलियर्स. इट इज स्पोकन टू द मोस्ट कॉम्पिटेंट पीपल हु हिट द लिमिट ऑफ देयर कॉम्पिटेंस. यहाँ पर क्या हो गया? ही हिट द लिमिट ऑफ हिज कॉम्पिटेंस. ही इज कंपैशनेट, वैलियंट वॉरियर, बट हिज कंपैशन इज गोइंग ओवर. इससे पहले वो देयर आर 2 शास्त्र. वन इज धर्म शास्त्र, वन इज अर्थशास्त्र. ठीक है. अर्थशास्त्र क्या बताता है? कैन एनीवन नो व्हाट इज अर्थशास्त्र? कोई बता सकता है व्हाट इज अर्थशास्त्र? इकोनॉमी. इट टेल्स यू हाउ यू कैन प्रोग्रेस मटीरियली और नॉट प्रोग्रेस, है ना. धर्मशास्त्र क्या बताता है? हाउ टू लिव इन अ सोसाइटी following a set of rules to bring you to cultivate a growth, है ना. That's called dharma. आपको पता है which shastra is above, which is higher, धर्म शास्त्र और अर्थशास्त्र? हाँ? How many of you think धर्म शास्त्र is high? How many of you think the अर्थशास्त्र is high? धर्म शास्त्र is right, high. धर्मशास्त्र है. Why? Because what happens is अर्थशास्त्र, धर्मशास्त्र इसलिए हाई है because अर्थशास्त्र only talks about मेरे लिए क्या ठीक है क्या नहीं है. धर्मशास्त्र talks about what? भगवान की नजर में ठीक है कि नहीं, है ना. You please the Lord, that means ये धर्मशास्त्र. So यहाँ पर अर्जुन बोल रहा था इतनी देर से, क्या बोल रहा था? He was only talking about अर्थशास्त्र. Now he's going to talk about धर्मशास्त्र. अभी क्या हुआ नाउ, इससे पहले अर्जुन आर्ग्यू कर रहा था, अपनी मोरालिटी बता रहा था, भगवान ये ठीक नहीं है, अगर आपके गुरु होते तो आप करते क्या? बोला उन्होंने, अगर इफ इट वाज योर गुरु would you kill him? No. Then why are you asking me to kill my guru? I'm not going to kill my guru. He's actually, arguing with Krishna. He's saying moral support. Morally, he's telling Krishna that this is right, this is wrong. And then he was doing philosophy as well. And he's justifying his emotion. He's saying, मैं इसीलिए नहीं कर पा रहा हूँ fight Krishna because I'm right. मेरे पास है ही नहीं, ऑप्शन ही नहीं है. This is the only option I have. Now, इसमें क्या है? He says, शिष्यस्तेहं शाधिमां त्वां प्रपन्नम. प्रपन्नम means surrender. And मैं क्या, अब कृष्णा, you tell me I'm your शिष्य. मंदिर में कई लोग कहते हैं, how can I serve you प्रभु? ऐसे प्रभु यार वो जो स्टेयर्स है ना उसमें बहुत सारे जूते पड़े रख दो. प्रभु यार थोड़ा सा बैक में प्रॉब्लम है, कुछ और कर दूं? अच्छा प्रभु एक काम करो, फिर अगर आप झुक नहीं सकते तो यहाँ पर ना बुक टेबल पे खड़े हो जाओ, जस्ट टेक मनी. प्रभु मैथ्स मेरी अच्छी नहीं है, आई डोंट नो हाउ टू, मुश्किल हो जाता है. एंड देन आई डोंट नो हाउ टू डू एफ पोज. फिर वो अच्छा आपको क्या करना है? प्रभु वो फूल लेके खड़े ना, वो कर सकता हूँ मैं? तो जी आके पूछो ना, आपको ये करना तो ये पूछो. डोंट से कि प्लीज कोई सेवा दे दो. इफ समवन इज आस्किंग मी हाउ कैन आई सर्व यू and I say this is how you can serve me, you say no कुछ और बताओ. That's not सेवा, that's not surrender, है ना? Surrender का क्या मतलब है? You tell me what to do and I'll do it. You tell me what to do and I'll do it. That is called surrender. And here Krishna, he is very emphatically saying, now I am your disciple. Now somebody's disciple means, what is the meaning of discipleship? Complete surrender. That means if they say jump, you jump.
Prabhu, but in this verse, he's still not surrendered.
No, he's not surrendered.
He's
but
saying for certain.
Yes. So what he's saying, I am your disciple. So Krishna is now gonna tell him, are you really my disciple? And then he's gonna do, Krishna start, and then Arjun will say again. But here he's saying, I'm your disciple. But he's not 100% Krishna's disciple here. He's saying, but because he said, I'm your disciple, Krishna has right to now instruct him. लेकिन हमारे पास कैसे लोग होते हैं? उनके पास बोलो, क्या हुआ प्रभु? या प्रभु ना थोड़ी सी तबीयत ठीक नहीं है. क्या हुआ? पेट में दर्द है? ये चूरन ले लो, ये ले लो, ये ले लो. उनको क्या बोलते हैं हम लोग? What are they called? नहीं. These people are called Raichan. They are expert in everything. उनसे पूछने की जरूरत नहीं है आपको कि यार मेरी हेल्प कर दो. फोरकास्ट करके हेल्प भी कर देंगे. और ये भी बोलेंगे, अरे आपको क्या बताऊं प्रभु, कल भी आपके साथ ये होने वाला है, उसके लिए भी ये बता रहा हूँ मैं अभी से, क्योंकि मैं कल मिलूंगा नहीं आपको. कौन बताएगा आपको? आप मेरे बिना अधूरे हो ना, तो आप अभी लो मेरी राह. So, but यहाँ पर he is saying no, I want you to tell me for certain. मतलब he goes, Prabhu, I am not convinced. I know that you are Lord, but right now I can tell you I am your disciple right now, but still tell me for certain. Prabhu, बिल्कुल सही. He said, please tell me for certain, है ना? अब आप सोचो किसको गुरु बना रहे हो? Someone who is a charioteer of Arjun. Charioteer, आपको पता है, being a charioteer is not a very high post. क्या होता है अगर charioteer जो होता है वो कैसे कंट्रोल करता है, आपको पता है? हाँ, शोर बहुत हो रहा होता है. So if you want to turn right, you hit अपना शू उसके राइट कंधे पे, तो they will turn right. लेफ्ट कंधे पे they will turn left. बीच वाले कंधे पे डबल टैप तो फास्ट, अगर सिंगल टैप टू स्लो डाउन, और ट्रिपल टैप टू स्टॉप. I'm just making up this tapping, but I'm just saying ultimately. नहीं, I'm just making it up. I'm just saying this is how they communicate, क्योंकि इतना शोर होता है. Now it's not a very, तो अब क्या बोला? charioteer को अपना गुरु बना लिया, है ना? Now क्यों बनाया गुरु? आपको पता है? तभी तो आप सोचो इसमें आज का जो हम लोग वीडियो देख रहे थे, everybody is going through something and every situation in life is for good. This situation, Arjun is lamenting right now, like he's in a very bad state. But is this state good for him or bad?
Good for him.
Good for him. Why?
That is how he gets the enlightenment.
Huh?
That is how he's going to get the enlightenment.
Yes.
Because Bhagavad Gita is going to come.
Yes, it's gonna come out. So this is the reason. Because अगर वो नहीं होता इस condition में, he would not have told his friend and a charioteer, यार please मुझे बताओ ना. तो कृष्णा ने क्या करा? कृष्णा made him go through this misery for him to start saying, ओए प्लीज हेल्प करो ना. तो कई बार हमारे लाइफ में होता है ना कि व्हेन हमारे चारों तरफ से हम फंस जाते हैं तो वी टेल कृष्णा, कृष्णा बचा लो यार. आई हैव डन इट सो मेनी टाइम्स. लाइक आई हैव few things that I've done at work, mistakes, and I'm not even joking. All I did is Narsimhadev, yaar, please bacha lo. Because that was not my intention. I stuffed up. I've had one time I hired this whole team. It was a complete disaster. Whole team. I had hired whole team. Per person to train them cost us $10,000. And I had a team of 16. So $160,000 of training went down the drain because I made a wrong decision. Anyway. And then I say, Krishna, please bachalo. And obviously he saved me. But what I'm saying is that moment I was really scared. But that moment was very scary for me. I don't want to go through that moment. But right now when I'm sitting here, I think I was my best connection with Krishna was at that time. And plus when my sister called me from India and my brother had a heart attack. So they were taking him from Ajmer to Jaipur. And in the middle of the highway, the ambulance kharab ho gayi. And life support band ho gaya, everything gone. And my brother was in there. The nearest ambulance was 120 kilometers away. And my sister called us. She was on the phone with me. And she goes, oh no, please pray. So mummy yahin par thi jab, my mother was here. And maine mummy ko uthaya 2 baje the subah and mummy, we need to pray. And we started chanting at that time. And I was literally praying, crying. Kyunki hame pata tha ki and guess what? In 10 minutes time, another ambulance, that ambulance was going somewhere. That job got cancelled. So they were going back. They saw this ambulance. They stopped. And obviously they shifted him. And he was saved. But I'm telling you that from 2 o'clock in the morning to 7 o'clock in the morning, the chanting that I did, I promise you, that was the best chanting I've ever done. Why? Because I was in an extremely miserable situation. I don't want this thing to happen again, but I can tell you that happened, that gave me a thing, that this is how Krishna can reciprocate. He doesn't have to reciprocate like this, but in situation maybe he can reciprocate. Yes.
Prabhu, isn't that...
Mic. Who's got the mic?
Isn't that coming out of fear though?
Sorry?
Isn't that coming out of fear?
Yeah.
Because yes, you were so worried for your brother.
Yes.
But then if we are doing it out of fear, we are not doing it out of, that thing for Krishna, right? That devotion or that surrender, what we're talking about.
Yeah.
So how can that be the best chanting?
It's, I'll tell you why.
Personally, I'm just trying to understand.
No, I get it. And I'll tell you, because we are Kanishta Adhikari. Kanishta Adhikari means I am talking about myself. I am at the bottom of the place where bhakti starts. So what happens is, जब मैं एक छोटा बच्चा है, for example, very small kid, my son, when he was small, I used to tell him, hey, brush your teeth. कहता मेरे को नहीं करना. तो उसको मेरे को धमकाना पड़ता था. अब उसको मार तो सकती नहीं यहाँ पर, है ना? इंडिया में नहीं है. इंडिया में तो दे देता मैं एक बार. यहाँ पर तो मैंने क्या करा, मैंने उसको बोला बेटा ये दांत ना तेरे सड़ जाएंगे. He has no idea. I said, do you remember you had to go and get an injection? He said, yeah. I said, 10 times more. They have to do injection on your gums. Then he got scared and started brushing his teeth. That is called Kanishta Adhikari. That means now he's following the instructions but out of fear. But still following the instruction is better than not following the instruction. whether you do it for fear. The next stage after the fear comes, then thoda sa bada hua, then he started doing it as a duty. Yaar, Papa ko nahi acha lagta hai. Papa gets upset. So he's not scared of me, but Papa, I don't want to hurt him, so I'm gonna brush my teeth. But slowly and gradually, because of this continuously doing this, what happens is he goes to the third realization, which is, I know this is good for me. I know this is good for me, and he realizes this when he grows up. So I am at a stage of my son. When I did that chanting, I was scared, but at the same time, I know that I have no other shelter. No one can help me. That understanding is very close to surrender. And that's why it was the best chanting. Not because I was scared. It was the best chanting because I know Krishna is the only support I have right now. आपको पता है जब कृष्णा बहुत खुश हो जाता है ना, he takes away everything. Everything. Health, wealth, relatives, everything goes away. एक बार क्या हुआ, this is not a scriptural story, but it is लोकोक्ति होती है, लोकोक्ति सुना ना, गांव में they started doing these stories. There's a story, Krishna and Arjun, they were both going, जंगल में जा रहे थे. फिर क्या हुआ, ऐसे वॉक कर रहे थे, एकदम से बातें करते करते they forgot. Imagine Krishna and Arjun, they forgot their way back, na? And they were really hungry. So Arjun saw, उसने देखी झोपड़ी. So he goes, I'll go, let's go and ask for food. They went there was this Budi Amma. And she realizes, oh, Krishna, the king of Mathura, come, I'll feed you. And she अच्छे से उनको खिलाया पिलाया, बहुत खुश थी. So they were sitting, छोटी सी कुटिया, she had nothing except for जमीन पे बैठने के लिए, and then and she had a cow. And then Krishna asked, Maiya, is there anything मैं आपके लिए कुछ कर सकता हूँ? बोले नहीं बेटा, I don't want anything. I am so happy that I've served you. Thank you very much. क्या हुआ? So बाहर निकले, अर्जुन बोला, Krishna, you should still give him. Krishna कहता है, okay. Krishna looks at the cow dies. And Krishna starts walking. Arjun was scared. Krishna goes, let's go. And they started walking. And then he was like, Krishna, the cow. Yeah, it's gone. Go, let's go. And then he turned around, थोड़े से आगे जाके, he turned around, he saw this woman crying, cow gayi, ye wo. And the whole thing was, the whole time she was very happy because she has a cow. She takes care of everything, like, दूध आ जाता है, गांव वाले आके मिल्क ले जाते हैं, दही बना देती है, उससे उसका काम चल रहा था. Cow gone. Now who is the shelter? Who is the shelter now? Krishna himself. So Krishna took away that cow, so that now she's old. Now he gave her an opportunity to completely surrender to Krishna. Now this is just to tell you, हमारी लाइफ में कभी कभी कुछ प्रॉब्लम्स आती है, that will, but इसका opposite भी हो सकता है. There has been a lot of research done. Twins पे, same incident happens in the house. This guy, they're twins. One became a lawyer, another became a criminal. They interviewed both. They asked the criminal, why did you become criminal? Because my father died when we were young, and the world was really bad, so I had to be bad as well, so that I can give them fight. The other kid, who was a lawyer, they interviewed him. They said, what happened? How did you become lawyer? He said, my father died at an early age. We had nothing. The world was bad. I needed to fix it. So same incident, two decisions. So, the reason why one took this decision, other, they found out because the person who became the lawyer was hanging out with people who were optimistic about life. And the other guy was hanging out with people who are pessimistic. And that's why their life changed. So, why I was telling you this story? Yes, when Krishna, so the reason why at that moment I was connected to Krishna, because I had no other way. I cannot call a doctor and say, I don't care who you are, I'll pay you money, just fix my brother. He was right in the middle of a highway at like in I don't know उस मतलब रात के 10 बजे थे शायद इंडिया में या 9:30 रात के इंडिया में रात के 9-10 बजे के बाद there is no traffic especially in freeways. There is no way someone. My brother was on life support. Imagine for 120 kilometers koi aayegi. There is no way he could have survived. So I had no other way to go. So I turned on to him and I told him, "You are the only one." And that connection that I had for that moment, that made my chanting the best chanting. Not just fear, because I know there is nothing else. And that's why sometimes when we get cornered, we think, "Oh, Bhagwan, kyun kar rahe ho corner?" Because Krishna wants to show you, hey, मैं तेरे को उस corner में इसलिए ले जा रहा हूँ because उस corner के पीछे जो door है ना, that is the only escape you have. And what is that escape? Krishna. Sometimes that happens. हम लोगों को क्या है, हमारे आजू बाजू में लोग ऐसे चाहिए जो हमें ये बात रिमाइंड कर सके. If you hang out with people who are rubbish, they will give you the same thing. तेरे को बोला था ना मैंने, ऐसे ही होने वाला है. बंदा ही ऐसा है जिसके साथ तू डील कर रहा है, ऐसे ही होगा. I have had amazing experience with the same guy. A lot of people have said I had the worst experience with this guy. I've never had any bad experience. Some of the guys. And the reason why it is because I spend more time with people who are on a different wavelength. So when I go to this guy, he gets my wavelength rather than me getting his. So that's what happened. Makes sense, yeah?
Thank you.
Okay. So now he says I'm कार्पण्य. इसमें क्या word है? कार्पण्य. कार्पण्य का मतलब क्या होता है पता है? Miser. Miser का क्या मतलब होता है? कंजूस. अब इसमें कंजूसी कहाँ से आ गई भाई इसमें? Can someone tell me why is it कंजूस? Why is he saying I'm कार्पण्य दोषो? What does that mean? कार्पण्य दोषो अपथ स्वभावा. वो कह रहा है कि कार्पण्य का मतलब होता है, कार्पण्य के दो मतलब होते हैं, एक तो माइजरलीनेस होता है, एक होता है स्मॉलनेस. तो मैं इतना छोटा हो गया हूं अभी, इतना छोटा हो गया हूं कि अब मेरे को समझ में नहीं आ रहा है कि मैं क्या करूं. तो दैट मीन्स मेरी जो इंटेलिजेंस है वो मिस अलाइंड हो गई है अभी. तो 8:40 हो गए, वी हैव टू स्टॉप एनीवे, बट 2 more points and I'll stop, okay?
प्रभु ये रिमाइंडर था आपके लिए.
I know you guys. So he's saying the one who does not solve the problem of life is called कृपणा. हमारे बृहद उपनिषद में लिखा है the one who does not solve the problem of life is called कृपणा. है ना? And human life is meant to have what? Ask what? Ultimate questions. Not like, next movie कब रिलीज हो रही है ना, वो स्ट्रेंजर थिंग्स का नया सीजन कब आ रहा है. नॉट लाइक दैट.
प्रभु ये कुछ समझा नहीं, मतलब the one who doesn't solve the problem of life is
कृपणा. कंजूस, yeah, because what they are doing is they are wasting this precious body and mind in sense gratification instead of using that precious mind and body in the advancement of consciousness.
बोलेंगे या कंजूस बोलेंगे?
कंजूस मतलब आपके पास इतना बड़ा धन है, आप उसको यूज ही नहीं कर रहे हो. You're not using that dhan, it's called krapna. You're not using that intelligence. That's why people who are like कहते हैं ना meat eaters and things like that, they are called krapna because intelligence है, भगवान ने दी है, but you're not using it. You're only concerned about one thing. कैसे सेंस ग्रेटिफिकेशन होगा, मजा कहाँ से आएगा? होगा ना, लाइफ में मजा आना चाहिए भाई. somebody was telling me लाइफ में मजा आना चाहिए ब्रजेश प्रभु, लाइफ में मजा आना चाहिए. मैंने कहा हाँ, मजा तो डेफिनेटली आना चाहिए, लेकिन लाइफ में मजा तो उन लोगों को भी आता है जो ड्रग्स लेते हैं. लेकिन वो क्या होता है? थोड़े टाइम का मजा होता है, थोड़े टाइम का मजा होता है.
प्रभु से पूछ लो, हम भी सुन लेंगे.
Prabhu, I just wanted to ask you,
Yes.
what did Arjuna do to, he started, with charioteer, you have to hit Krishna to actually move.
How?
He has to hit Krishna to actually move, right?
Yeah, because Krishna never considered him as God. He was considering him as a friend. Friend को तो लात मार ही देते हैं ना, क्या है? चलते चलते लात दे दी. Krishna was a sakha. He was not They used to sleep together. They used to fight with each other. Krishna used to throw food at him sometimes. He used to throw food at him, like apple से लड़ाई कर रहे हैं ऐसे.
But after this Bhagavad Gita, he must have realized, and then
He realized, but Krishna was more interested in Sakhya Bhav, and Arjun was in a Sakhya Bhav, so that was his dominating part. जितना भी भाव होते हैं ना, साख्य भाव, वात्सल्य भाव, जितने भी भाव होते हैं उसमें से एक भाव कॉमन होता है, वो होता है दास्य भाव. लेकिन प्रोमिनेंट जो भाव होता है ना, वो आदमी उसमें चला जाता है. So Krishna understood Arjun understood his God. He will understand it, but he will go back to his default mode of साख्य भाव. क्या होता था वृंदावन में, sometimes they will have a fight, है ना. जो टीम हारेगी उसको दूसरे को कंधे पे उठा के चलना पड़ेगा. सो वन टाइम कृष्णा की टीम हार गई, तो कृष्णा ने बोला मैं तो नहीं उठा रहा, आई एम टायर्ड, मैं किसी को नहीं उठाऊंगा. बोला उठाना ही पड़ेगा. तो कृष्णा को बोला तू नहीं उठाएगा तो मार पड़ेगी. कृष्णा बोला मैं भगवान हूँ भाई. बोलो कैसे भगवान? फिर कृष्णा ने ना उनको सच में बताया, दिखाया अपना रूप. तो उन्होंने बोला अच्छा भगवान है. अच्छा फिर उन्होंने अपना नॉर्मल रूप दिखाया. अच्छा ठीक है, आज के लिए छुट्टी, कल हारा तो उठाना पड़ेगा. एंड दे वॉकड ऑफ. व्हाई? दे हैव दास्य भाव, but their Sakhya Bhav is so high, they didn't care.
I thought Prabhu he wiped his memory off as well because you can't remember.
Huh?
Arjun's memory was obviously brought
हाँ, Arjun was confused because Krishna wanted him to be confused. Yes, that is correct. So जो योग माया है उसने उसको भ्रमित कर दिया. Like Parikshit Maharaj was, भ्रमित को कहते हैं, क्योंकि there is a bigger game that Krishna wants to play. But the reason why even after this Krishna और अर्जुन उनकी पूजा नहीं करते कभी भी. He will just, सब लोग खड़े हैं हाथ जोड़ के तो वो भी खड़ा हो जाएगा. But he is not, he is still a sakha because that's his primary भाव. जैसे वात्सल्य भाव है, वात्सल्य भाव जो होता है उसमें भाव क्या है? मेरा बच्चा है. उन्होंने दिखा दिया कि मैं भगवान हूँ. थोड़ी देर बाद वो वाला है ना, वो अपने आप चला गया. नॉट बिकॉज कॉन्शियसली, बिकॉज उनका जो वात्सल्य भाव इतना स्ट्रांग है, नहीं मेरे बेटे को कुछ नहीं होना चाहिए, भगवान होगा अपने घर में, मेरे को बचाना है इसको, है ना. दैट्स द थिंग. दैट्स व्हाई यशोदा माँ, उनका भी दास्य भाव है, लेकिन उनका वात्सल्य भाव इतना स्ट्रांग है कि वो जो दास्य भाव है वो 2 मिनट में गायब हो जाता है अपने. डजंट एग्जिस्ट बिकॉज वो इतना स्ट्रांग है. सो दैट्स व्हाई अर्जुन विल नॉट कंसिडर हिम एज गॉड इवन आफ्टर दिस. ही विल स्टिल कंसिडर हिम एज अ फ्रेंड.
प्रभु जी जो भाव होता है वो डेवलप किया जाता है या बाय डिफॉल्ट होता है?
भाव डिफॉल्ट होता है, सबका भाव डिफॉल्ट. जैसे मेरा एक भाव है भगवान के साथ, वो मेरे को अभी नहीं पता है, वो मेरे को जो गोलोक वृंदावन जाऊंगा तभी पता चलेगा, है ना. सो आई डोंट नो व्हाट इट इज. इट कुड बी शांत भाव. शांत भाव मतलब आई माइट बी अ ग्रास इन वृंदावन, नॉट मूव, जस्ट ग्रास. कुड बी दैट्स कॉल्ड शांत भाव, है ना. बट कुड बी एनीथिंग, हमें नहीं पता है. कहते हैं गुरु टेल्स यू व्हाट्स योर भाव, नॉट थ्रू वर्ड्स, बट ही गिव्स यू लॉट ऑफ अंडरस्टैंडिंग फॉर यू टू बी प्रिपेयर्ड फॉर जो भी भाव है आपका, वो आपको वहां जाके मिलेगा, नॉट हियर. ओके, एनी अदर क्वेश्चंस? आई थिंक विल स्टॉप हियर, इट्स टू मच गोइंग ऑन. यस प्रभु, माइक.
हरे कृष्ण प्रभु.
हरे कृष्ण
प्रभु, एक मेरी लर्निंग और एक मेरा सवाल है.
प्लीज बोलिए. लर्निंग
पहले मैं लर्निंग.
हाँ.
तो जैसे आप अपना वो इंसिडेंट बता रहे थे कि जब आपके ब्रदर को हॉस्पिटल में पहुंचाना था, देन यू स्टार्टेड चेंटिंग ऑल ऑफ दैट. I learned about this thing is that when you don't know about it, then you do it out of fear. But when you know, you do it out of knowledge and belief.
I love that. That's beautiful.
So that's my learning.
Thank you, bro. That's awesome.
So मेरा क्वेश्चन है कि बेसिकली यहाँ पे जैसे दिखाया कि अर्जुन जो था, he was emotionally too distressed. So he lost his composure, he lost his intelligence at that time, which could happen to anybody. Right?
Yes.
तो how, like हमारी लाइफ में कई बार ऐसी सिचुएशन आती है जिसको हम सॉल्व नहीं कर पाते, no matter how hard we try. And that sometimes feels like कि it is wrong. Then why should we accept that wrong? That's the question. Like it gets so confusing. Like should I accept it कि हाँ कृष्णा की मर्जी थी तो मैं accept कर लेता हूँ. But it doesn't feel like that.
No,
How
it doesn't.
do you know?
Good point. So Actually, you know, that's such an impressive question. How do you know? क्योंकि हमारा जो mind है ना प्रभु, it's not, you can't trust our mind. Our mind is can be very vicious. हमारा mind हमें बोलेगा अलार्म बज रहा है, तेरे को उठना है, लेकिन अगर तू जल्दी उठ गया, नहीं सोया, तो शायद तेरी मीटिंग में गड़बड़ हो जाएगी, इसलिए थोड़ी देर और सो जा. It may not be true, है ना? खाना खा ले अभी, नहीं तो तेरे को चक्कर आ जाएंगे. आपको पता है आदमी 4 दिन तक खाना नहीं खाया उसको चक्कर नहीं आएगा. 5th day is possible. बट क्या होता है हमारे दिमाग में है, हमारा माइंड ने बोला है. That's why we do this stuff. So how do we know whether like when we go through this situation, the difference between us and Arjun that we will discuss in next verse is Arjun knew कि प्रॉब्लम क्या है मेरे को, उसको पता था. He knew what his problem is. But the more important thing that he knew was who to ask. ठीक है. आपको पता है, I remember when I was giving my engineering entrance exam and I failed first attempt. So I went straight to my friend and he said, "Oh, कुछ की फर्क पैंदा, इधर बैठ." And he got a beer or something like that. You know? And I know the second time when I was in the college, मेरे साथ similar incident हुआ. I was sick और एग्जाम नहीं दे पा रहा था and I was gonna fail definitely. इंडिया में ऐसा नहीं होता है कि you can just give exam, है ना, कुछ नहीं है, grace में हो गया, nothing. If you can't give exam, you fail, है ना. I went to this another guy. You know what he did with me? He sat down with me all night, got all the question papers from last 6 years, made me go through every single thing, taught me the whole thing from 9 p.m. to 7 a.m. कितना हो गया? 10 hours. Straight he taught me. And I passed. है ना? So पहले और दूसरे में difference क्या था? I did not know who to ask. है ना? So that's one thing. और trust me, we cannot trust our mind. This is you have to understand. कई लोगों को लगता है ना कि मैं घर पे बैठ के, मेरे पास भगवत गीता है, I can read. भगवत गीता है, भगवान कृष्ण ने लिखी है, मेरे हेल्प करेगी? नहीं करेगी. भगवत गीता क्यों नहीं करेगी? क्योंकि हमारा जो माइंड है ना, हमारा माइंड हमें भगवत गीता वैसे ही दिखाएगा जिस तरह का हमारा कॉन्शियसनेस है उस वक्त. सर्वस्य चाहम हृदय सन्निविष्टो, मतलब सब लोग चाय पियेंगे तभी मजा आएगा. Some people think चाह मतलब चाय. No, that's not true. We will only understand Bhagavad Gita to a level where our consciousness is. So, in order to understand things, we have to go and ask someone who has lived something like that, and you ask them the question. And when you get really distraught, you ask the right question to the right person. दो चीजें जरूरी हैं. And don't follow your mind. And when we get to a situation जहाँ पर हम लोग बहुत परेशान हैं, we cannot be composed. हम लोग composed नहीं हो सकते. We can't be composed. So what we need to do is, that time अगर हमारे पास ये knowledge है, then we know what to do. We know किसकी शरण लेनी है, और घर पे बैठ के नहीं करना है. You have to go and ask people who are like someone very senior. Go and ask them, please tell me, I'm going through this. Because if you ask the wrong person, what they will do? की फर्क पैदा है, आजा बैठ जा, आ बैठ जा. फिर वो आपको कोई ऐसी चीज बता देगा that will be harmful for you. Make sense? Yes, bro. Anything else? Alright. Thank you very much. Srila Prabhupada ki jai. Samved Bhakt Vrand ki jai. Nitai Gaur Premanande.
Hari Bol.
I had 24 pages. I covered 2.
Oh my God.
That's called time management. Thank you. Let's do the Narasimha.
प्रभु मुझे एक क्वेश्चन पूछना है.
अच्छा, there is a question here.
क्वेश्चन नहीं है, आउट ऑफ दिस सिलेबस है.
अच्छा.
जैसे हमारे जगराते होते हैं पूरी रात वाले, तो ऐसे कुछ हमारा ऐसा कुछ अरेंजमेंट नहीं हो सकता. Like I'm serious because
I don't think जगराते is a problem. जगराते हमारे में ना actually.
नहीं प्रभु,
मैं बताता हूँ.
चाह रही हूँ.
मैं आपको ही बता रहा हूँ.
भगवत गीता का सेशन हो तो हम पूरी रात कर सके.
आपको पता है यहाँ पर पूरी रात भगवत गीता का सेशन कर लो, नेक्स्ट वीक से कोई भी नहीं आएगा, आप ही बैठे हो गए हो.
ऐसा नहीं है.
बोले हम यहाँ पर नहीं जाएंगे, आप फंस जाते हैं. 1 वे टिकट है. No, actually we can. I think there we do. There are a lot of groups. वो लोग क्या करते हैं पता है? They will do 10 hours of Bhagavad Gita. So morning to evening. So उसमें प्रसादम होगा, सब होगा बीच में. They will have activities. A lot of people do that. Ojasvi Prabhu does it. Ojasvi Prabhu does Srimad Bhagavatam reading for 12 hours a day sometimes. Amazing. Like it go. आप लोग, if you guys are ready, we can organize it. I have no issue.
आज
साल में एक बार.
आज I mean, we are happy to continue all night if anyone.
जैसे माता जी बोल रही है ना, अभी मार्च 1 को हमारी भक्ति रक्षा को 2 years कंप्लीट हो जाएंगे.
Yes.
जो फर्स्ट फ्राइडे होगा ना,
हाँ.
वो पूरा कीर्तन कर सकते हैं.
बिल्कुल कर सकते हैं. हाँ, definitely. क्या कर सकते हैं?
बस वैरायटी की तो कमी नहीं है हमारे पास.
हाँ हाँ, जो करना हो करो ना यार. भगवान की बात है तो भगवान की बात है. रामायण करने में कितना टाइम लगता है पूरा? नहीं, हमारे पास हैं, बढ़िया लोग हैं. हमें कुछ नहीं करना है. वो लेमन ग्रास और जिंजर टी पीते रहना है और ये भाई प्रभु जी गाते रहेंगे, हम लोग करताल बजाएंगे. That's it. हाँ 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 हाँ. हम लोग कुछ भी देखो, आप लोगों में हम एक्चुअली क्या है, पर्पस क्या है? पर्पस इज फॉर अस टू कम टुगेदर एंड थिंक ऑफ कृष्णा, थिंक ऑफ गॉड. ठीक है, भगवान राम और कृष्ण के बारे में सोचना, दैट्स द पर्पस. उसके लिए आप कुछ भी करो. आई थिंक इट्स अ ब्रिलियंट आइडिया. समटाइम्स वी कैन डू लाइक लॉन्गर डिस्कशन. मैं तो ये कह रहा हूँ कि लाइक फॉर एग्जाम्पल वी कैन हैव सेशंस स्पेसिफिकली ऑन सम इश्यूज दैट पीपल आर डीलिंग विद. We can have a session of like 2, 3, 4 hours on that one of the Saturdays.
Maybe एक long weekend पकड़ लेते हैं.
अभी long weekend है. That's what I'm saying. Just people interested. आज रात को कीर्तन खींच लेते हैं.
प्लान नहीं आया, सब लोग खाने वाने का. कोई नहीं कर जा रहा. किसकी पार्टी है इसके बाद?
Love it.
But seriously प्रभु, ऐसा I think it will be good if we can plan एक दिन ऐसा कुछ like long.
I have no issues and I think it's a great idea. A lot of people do that and it's always been successful. तो आप लोग decide करो. Look, for this thing I'm available.
Thank you.
हाँ बोलिए ना. हाँ